Messing with your feelings is old news. This cat plays with your eyesight instead.
You got one more chance. I believe on it. I'm pretty sure.
Cat-style yoga is really something out of this world. Food to cats is like coffee to humans, a magical switch that turns on all their senses. Guess who will win? A cat or a noodle?
Кто это сделал? Я же выясню сейчас, кто. Не ты случайно, Мусик, нет? Ну, ты ж вроде воспитанный, ты не мог, да?
When you want to help, but the life's default settings say, nah, you're not born for that. Well, I might also grab anything within reach when sleepiness comes, so this is understandable.
It's time. Personal conversation.
Tech can shield you from a lot, but it can't save your food from your cat. Bro probably wouldn't even eat up half, but that's never been the case. The secret weapon against almost every individual of cats. Better hope they aren't planning to overthrow you as
Welcome to another video. Drop a like and subscribe. Hope you enjoy. See you in the next one.
Great. Go to the
If
stairs.
there was a club for stubborn cats, this kitty would be the leader. Cats do not get enough credit for the great pals they can be. It's not the desire to have the dream body, but the competition that gives them endless motivation.
Butters is a good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl.
Oh my god. Careful. you're fine.
Just when Doggy thought he was the winner, the final boss appeared.
Okay, we're gonna go. Look at this brave cat.
The small jumps are incredibly contagious.
Put her in right here and see if she does something.
You want your skateboard? Who's a tornado dog?
If you wonder where a cat's G spot is,
No. No.
Kitty will never make you feel like you're alone, even when your feet hurt. Cats have this weird thing where the more you love them,
what are you
the more they'll
doing?
ignore you.
Bella, the door's open. The door's open, Bella. You don't have to scratch.
In her career, this must be the most difficult client.
Franklin, in the ball.
As always, Tom could never defeat Jerry's strategies.
These dogs work together better than my entire college group
The ball
project
is Doggo's
ever
bestie,
did.
but the rain is his enemy.
And the squeakiest toy can't cure this pup's philosophical
Esse
crisis.
cachorro é irado. Você que não teve, tem que passar pela experiência. É bom demais chegar em casa e ver isso aqui, ó. Olha que coisa maravilhosa. Olha
When
quanta
your
felicidade ele
co-pilot
tá
is
me
cute,
arrumando.
yet a menace, a high-security harness is a must.
The old air hockey table is not useless. It's who's using it that matters. Point of view, you accidentally come across two introverted dogs on a date.